What's up guys, today we're going to be playing the Turbulent Seas. So I decided to record this, we'll sell the 7 seas, or the Turbulent Seas. So let's get into today's video. So we're in the game, and I'm just going to turn that down, but the music is great. So, let's not spawn in last port, merchants spawn. Now, let's go get a boat. Cool! Spawn ship. I'm gonna despawn my status. Okay. Where can I spawn this bad boy? Every spot is literally taken. Bruh. Let me sail across the sea. I'm just gonna get into a different server. So we got our ship spawned. Climb the ladder. Let's adjust the sails, baby. I'm pressing S. Wait, what the heck? Let's raise the anchor, boy. Hopefully we don't get attacked. Alright, and we're off. We're out. I probably should have got some crewmates, but whatever. I'm gonna turn the graphics up a little bit, but I can't handle high graphics because my computer doesn't handle it can't handle high graphics. I better not crash into a ship. Let's see. Let's head to the Arisland, I guess. I don't know. Let's just sail randomly. There are some pretty big ships on I once crashed because I was on an island and someone started shooting at me, and then my ship started to sink. It was annoying and stupid. So let's hope that doesn't happen this time. I am a perfect driver. Wee 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 wee. We are sailing the seas. The turbulent sea is a baby. Let's just turn the wheel. Oh god, there's a ship there. Let's turn this way. Look at that, boy. Let's see if we're headed anywhere. Alright, we're headed for the Angan outpost. There is a ship there. Hopefully the waves don't get high and we sink like I got shot, but I hope we don't die to waves. Georgie Piggy, come on, we got this, dude. How long is this gonna take? It's already 3 minutes have passed. I'm just gonna close the chat and all that. Let's just sail, baby. We're sailing across the seas. Sailing across the seas. We're sailing across the turbulent seas. We're sailing across the turbulent seas. Yeah. Wee. Look at everyone leaving. We are headed for the Lonan outpost, not the Angan outpost, or whatever you call it. We are headed. If only I had some crew members, I have a lookout. I wonder if they're gonna add the redesigns to the redesigned piggy head. because this piggy still has cheeks. It would kind of be amazing to have a redesigned piggy head without these stupid cheeks. I don't like these cheeks. I like the ones without the cheeks better. They look amazing. Like I said in my last video, amazing. If I can even get a new ship, I will, but I don't think that's gonna oh, we're headed for the Lonen Sea. The Lonen Outpost. Or a part of the Lonen Outpost. Somewhere close to the Lonen Outpost. We'll chop down some wood. Hopefully there is no one there to attack our boat. And hopefully, oh god, it lagged. Hopefully the waves don't get high. Because if you look down here, yeah. We're headed for the Lonen Outpost, baby. This boat is literally hard to control, but whatever. We're right next to spawn. The spawn is, I think it's over there. Where's the spawn at? We spawn at Volney. We'll spawn at Volney, I believe. Oh god, come on. There we go. I'm gonna have to get ready to raise the sails and lower the anchor. George really needs some weapons. All he has is this axe. He can just chomp down stuff. Saw a beautiful animation. Come on, dude. We got this. Our first island to discover! Yay! Alright. We're getting closer and closer, but still, I'm sad I don't have any crew. We're almost there to a part of the Lonen Outpost. Oh god. Turn! Why does this look familiar? Let's just park here. If someone attacks our ship, I'm gonna be mad, bruh. And land ahoy! Yoink! Now time to adjust the sails. Pull them up. Yeah. I won't lower the anchor in case someone attacks our ship. We can just run back and, well, I guess. I'm just gonna chop these trees over here. Well, I think I already have wood, but let's just chop some trees for fun. Yoink! 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 I'm just chopping trees like a lumberjack. There we go. Can't even pick up the log though, but good even. I guess we'll only have to do this island because the video has to end at like 12, so yoink. Timber! Time to jump. Well, at least we can kind of sail over that island over there. But when it gets to 11 or something, we can stop the video and do the outro. There we go. Now let's head back to our boat. If anyone attacks me, I'll bring out the RB battle sword and I'll slash him, alright? Not true, I'm just... Yoink! Let's lower the sails. Hopefully we're not stuck in any way. Come on, let's see if we can turn a little bit. Oh, there we go. Yep, we're getting loose. Come on, dude. Oh god. Oh no. Well, we're off, baby. Oh no, we're not. Okay. We're kind of hitting the land here, but oh god. Oh come on, dude. Get away from the island. Get away from the island, boy. And I feel so. Yeah, it's 11 already. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yo ho ho, me hearties.